Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with some of your favourites and maybe some of your not so favourite game. It's the Close-Up Coins game. It's the Alphabet Coin special. 7 alphabet coins in this video. Can you work them out? Who's going to be the first? Get your 7 coins in the comments section below. Maybe not still the most difficult one we've ever done. A few in here to try and trick you. Get your little 10p coins set out and see if you have got these. Have a look through your coins to try and help you out. There is going to be a super difficult close-up coins coming next weekend. We'll get the Andon Star out so then the close-ups are still super clear. Don't want to do super zoomed in one. And again, they'll be blurry. So again, we've got 7 here. Somewhere in the middle of difficulty, I believe. And again, we'll do a super difficult one next weekend. We'll leave it open until Thursday. We'll go through all of the answers in a video, see how many everyone has got correct. And again, just play along for a little bit of fun. If you only know a couple of them, comment a couple of them in the comments section. And again, we'll go through them all on Thursday. So we will see exactly what coins we have got here. When it comes to the alphabet coins, we've been doing plenty of 10p coin hunts. We bagged another alphabet coin last night. What a find indeed. I won't give it away, but that's 2 alphabet coins now that we've found. We've looked through £1,000 worth of 10p's to find them, but nonetheless, we have found 2 of them. They're still out there, they're still in the wild, and whilst they're out there, see if you can work out what 7 we have got here. Have a blessed night, stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.